3, 2, 1. Here's the opening bell, half day training today. Merry Christmas to everyone out there, even though that the healthcare bill was a piece of crap that people will address later. Um, light, volume, walk the dog, move. And this is a time where people got killed in the last 60 trading days. And during these holiday weeks, at times, they will, because I know no one is here. So we're seeing some of that in Apple. We're seeing that in some selected other stocks, walking Google higher, which is well deserved. It's just, once this holiday is over and the new year starts, we're going pretty high here in some of these patterns that I've showed. So we'll let the opening bell, we'll let stocks kind of wind their way up. 163.75, 164.16 on Goldman, very narrow range. Once again, 114,000 shares traded. Dow is up 19, Nasdaq is up 55281. So basically, let's let it open up, boys and girls, and let's find out where the highs and the lows, and let's see where we get an opportunity. And the more that I keep hearing how great 2010 is, well, we said clearly that 2010 can go higher into the new year and put in what we call a blow-off top sometime between now and March. So basically, we're watching this 3-minute chart on Goldman as it climbs. We have a 3-minute buy signal on the open, which makes it a trade because it's not opening in a sell signal on a 3-minute. There's a 3-6 buy signal. When we have these, put your order out to buy 200 shares at 163.79 in case it wants to come back and test it. You're not in a sell signal on the open. You're in a buy signal on the open. It's not like you're in the sell zone here. You're starting out with a buy signal. And let me resume the tape. If you have a 3-minute buy signal, that means that the pullback, it's not in a sell signal when it's pulling back. And we'll see that to stay in the trade, this buy signal on the pullback that I'm giving you, and you got to use a teeny stop, unfortunately, but you only do 100 shares or 200 shares on the opening bell. You don't need to do a lot of shares. You're not here to be Batman. You're just here that you do have a buy signal with a pullback. It's called a pullback buy signal here on a 3-minute. So do very light volume. Who got hit? He spun it. Huh? All right. He spun the bid and the ask. So now you're going to get ready to go higher because you're not in a sell signal. Not yet. You're still in a buy, 3-6. It's only 9 minutes. I'm just teaching you that the pullback will have some bounce as long as it doesn't go into the sell signal. 100 shares is okay. Huh? Well, work the formula down to the next level. You don't have a sell signal yet, so let's see where they pop it. Walls, get ready. I'll show you how to do it on the tape. In your level 2s, in your buy boxes, this is a different buy and sell box here. This is a different buy and sell box. But if we're going to put a bottom in and we're not going to go into a sell signal, we're going to let the bottom get put in. If I want to buy 1,000 shares, and I think it's going to happen, and if I think we are going to get ready to move, but we're not yet, you want to get back above here. It's only 9 minutes, but what would I do? At 69, I could just hit. If he printed 74 and I didn't get in, so he went 74.82, drops back to 74, you got a wide bid and ask. If I think that it was going to move, I just click over here and hit buy. But that's not the case yet, but that's what I would do. So let's see if we can take it down here to where we put it on the bottom, and let's see. Cancel your orders. Cancel your orders. Cancel your orders. Cancel your orders. I know, but you went from a buy to a short-term sell signal. It's all in 9 minutes now. And you're right there on the cup. You're right there on the cup. You take your ass down a half delta. Then that's where you put your order out. Put it a couple pennies above it so you don't miss it. Okay, you're it's only 9 minutes here. He's put in a double bottom. He's trying to hold that signal. But once again, you ain't got many players here. See it? That was it was right in the verge of going the opposite way. So when I was trying to explain about the pullback, that buy signal has to stay in there for that stock to hold these lows. So signal's still there, but a very choppy open. You keep your orders down there. That's a 3 minute.